I just finished eating and rested a while. Now I'm going to my faculty library. I'm just praying that there's still space in the library so that I can read. Pray for me, and I hope I get a seat that there will be AC or fan so that it will not kill me and I will not be stressed and have to go home. Yeah. So let's go and read for exam. Next week is exam. And this week is lecture free week. Okay, bye. People are staring at me. I don't mind, Sha. Such is life. Welcome to the next day. It's next day, guys, and I'm about to leave the house for school. I am fully ready. This is my outfit. My bag is fully packed, and now it's just to get out and leave this house. So as I said before, this is lecture free week. It just means that this week there's no lecture. It's just for us to prepare for exams, and today is Wednesday. Monday, I was just so tired on Monday. Like, I was feeling period pain after the period. I don't know when that was start, but like, such a life. So yesterday I read Ed Psychology, and today I'm reading. What am I reading today? Consumer Psychology or Rehabilitation. Oh no, I read Rehabilitation Psychology yesterday. I think I'm reading Consumer today or Psychotherapy. I don't know, but I have all my books packed, and I have to finish yesterday because I was not able to finish it. I was just so tired. Like, I went to the library by I think to 11 and I left by after 6. I have never read for that long before, and I did not even take a break. Yes, I slept. That's the only break I took, but I did not leave the library. Yesterday, after eating that rice, I came and I had bread and butter, and that's what I ate yesterday. Yeah. I'm even hungry this morning, and I wanted to warm my leftover bread, but the nepas are like, I would have shown more clips of me reading, but most of the PDFs are on my phone. I barely have any notes, to be honest. The PDFs and other people's notes that I snap are on my note. I also on my phone. I also film on my phone. So like, I don't have a laptop. I don't have a camera. So my phone is my workstation. Like, hopefully God, praying to God for a laptop. So like, show more study vlogs if I have that. But till then, we move. Let's go and read, my people. It's currently 2 o'clock and I just left the library. I'm going to eat. I'm not sure I brought my mic. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm going to eat today. I'm going to eat amala. I ate rice yesterday and I already ate bread before I left the house today. So I'm really really tired. Nothing is entering my head again. Like, the only thing I could think of is food, 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 food. Yeah, so let's go and chow. I just finished eating and it did not even cross my mind to video to video my food. There were these two guys, a girl and a guy. So they were just, I was just listening to their gist and I forgot. And the restaurant is very hot. Like, the amala side is very hot. So they don't have AC, only a fan. The right side they have AC. I should have just gone there. Yeah, like immediately I finished eating, I stood up straight and left, and they are still there. No, because they are just in share, it's taking them a while to finish eating. Back to reading. Hi guys, welcome back to a new day. I'm in a good mood today. I don't know why, but like, so today me and my group members we are going to Modupe Call. We have another group project today. This is for a totally different course. This one is for rehabilitation psychology. So we are doing a case study. We are going there to interview the caretakers. I don't think they will actually allow us to interview them, but we are going to interview the caretakers. I'm not going to be taking any video there because I don't know. I did not ask permission for that. I was not the one that. Yeah, I don't have permission for that. So I don't think they mind though. But like, yeah. And after that, I'm going to school to go and read. And today we are reading consumer psychology. It's all about how people buy, what makes them buy, the rationality, the emotions. Yeah. Okay, bye. I got home a few minutes ago. I think it will be up to an hour now. But it was so eye-opening to be to go to the Modupe. Like it really looks small from outside, but when you enter inside, it is actually a very very big place. And one thing that stood out to me is the fact that like literally everywhere is accessible. All the offices is accessible, and like they actually make life livable and manageable for these children. There are even some of the students that are in universities, like there are some that are finished university and are even able to get a job, playgrounds, they have basketball to play there, and some of them are actually very very active. Like they were so much fun and joy to be around. Now and okay, so from there I went to the library. I went to the faculty library and it is full. Literally no space for me to sit down. And Nigeria is hot, guys. Like when I got home, I could have made this video, but I was so tired. I'm just like, let me chill and I'll come back to it. Yeah, so I come back home to read. If there's no space in the faculty library, there is definitely not going to be space in the main library. So I'm like, let me just come home and read.